Is my camera on? Oh my god, this happens every single video. Okay, never mind. So, welcome back to another video. We're playing a game which I already forgot what it was called. What was it called again? It was called Apex 9 Legends or something. I don't know, I just checked. Okay, let's just play already. Oh my god, there's gonna be more loading. I waited all this long just for the game to load, and now it's loading again. Serious? Oh my god.
One eternity later.
It's a cutscene, okay. Wait, why is it still low graphics? Of course, my computer is so bad, it just makes the... This is just 2 pixels per pixel. That doesn't actually make sense. Yeah, anyway. How does this game work? I'm gonna try. Oh god! Oh god, this is insane. Oh god. Oh god, this is violent. Oh god, this is so hard. Okay. What is the objective of this game? Okay. That didn't happen. Okay. That was just me learning the controls, and that was absolutely mad crazy. Okay, this game is actually kind of more funner than I thought. Anyway. Sure, whatever. Skip. Anyway, I don't care. Wait, what? Did I just... For a second I thought I saw the word sushi. Anyway. Okay, let's time to play. How do you... Oh my god, career. A star. Okay, how... Okay. Okay, I don't even know what's happening anymore. This is so complicated. What's happening? What's happening? This? Okay, I don't care. Let me play the game. Jesus Christ. That was recommended rank 458. Wait, what? That doesn't even make any sense. I'm not even rank 1. Okay, never mind. So we're doing San Francisco. Let's wait for the game to load.
One eternity later.
Immediately when I paused it, the thing started. Oh my god. Drifting recharges my nitro bar. That's true? That's not... Oh god, this is absolutely mad. This This is quite crazy. What is even happening? I don't even understand what's happening anymore. Okay, I got first place. What was the video? This is cinematic mode. Okay, this is what was happening the whole race. Okay, this race was quite insane. God, Jesus, is this what was happening? Okay, oh, that's me in the car. Okay, so this was basically what was happening this whole time. Well, this actually looks kind of epic. Okay, let's just play the game again. The next round, and also it takes like 100 years to get everything ready. So let's see you in the next game.
One eternity later.
Okay, it has started, and I am not ready. Okay. I am literally going so fast right now. Alright, I just did a 360. Oh god. This is chaotic. Okay, that was quick. Okay, let's see what was the whole race in cinematic mode, because it looks epic. Oh, that's me driving. Okay, that's actually, why is cinematic mode in this game, replaying this whole thing, looks so epic? Why does this look so epic? Okay, so even slow motion. Why does cinematic mode look so good? Seriously, this is now ridiculous. Okay. So, this is actually really epic. Okay, alright, to the next level.
One eternity later.
Okay, so this is basically, this looks like it's in the sky, it actually is. Alright, this is pretty darn insane. Oh god. Jesus Christ. This is mad. I got second place. No. Now I'm not first. I was second. No. So let's time to watch this in cinematic mode. Oh god. How come this is only first person? Oh, this. Alright, this was a very quick round, if you ask me. Jesus Christ. Alright. So that was the thing. Alright, to the next game. Why am I saying game? To the next round. This is not Squid Game. This is okay. To the next round, I guess. Alright, got through all of this. Alright, time for the next one. Alright, this looks promising, I guess. I'm so disappointed this looks like straight out pixel. Why are so many cars faster than me? Oh God. I will not get defeated. Wait, but I'm not. Oh God, this is so violent. Oh God, this is so fast paced. No, I went all the way back here. No, I didn't go, I went 4th place. Wait, that's not fair. My car crashed. That's not fair. And why is my car so slow in the beginning? This actually does look really, really cool, by the way. Except the whole point, everything looks so pixely. Anyway, I could have gone 1st place if that thing didn't literally just break. I think my car didn't break. My car failed me. Why is this so actually epic for a game that I got from Microsoft Store? Like, bruh. This is not even the Xbox Game Pass. And it looks so epic. Except the whole point, the pixels are really showing. My driver is such a professional. Except the whole point, he crashed. Anyway, next. Alright. This is the next round. Why does it take so long? Alright, next. What? Okay, I don't know what just happened. I just clicked the regular route, but never mind. Time for next round. Okay, I am here, or actually, I think I lost the last one. Since, I didn't get 3rd place. Oh my God, this is so much. Oh my God, my car crashed again. Are you kidding me? Oh God. Okay. Oh God. Okay, that one I definitely won since I got first place. Alright, my favorite time, cinematic mode. So this is the beginning of the race where I was last place because my car was not fast. Anyway. Okay, why is this so epic? Okay, time to watch in cinematic because it looks more epic in cinematic mode. Okay, then this is the scene where I crashed. And then after this I didn't crash again, but it still looks epic. Then I did the twirly twirl thing. Okay, I think this is where I wear that nitro strategy. And this is where I drift and crashed. Why does this look so intense? And then I did the last little speedy thing and then I won. Alright, time for the next round. It's the last round because I don't want like 100. I don't want this episode to be like 100 minutes. Alright. Alright, next round. And also the last round for this video. If you want to see more, just dislike the video. Just kidding, like the video. Actually, I don't care if you like the video or not, cause like basically liking doesn't do anything. It basically just gives you, oh look, you're so good. Okay, I like your video. There's actually no point of liking it, but never mind. Okay, time for the next one. 3, 2, 1. Now I'm going faster. I know. Okay, now I'm just going extremely fast. Now I'm just crashing into cars, which is just illegal. Okay, now I'm going really fast. Okay, there was a ramp on the other side, which I think that person used. Okay, cinematic mode time. Okay, why is there like rocks crashing down in the middle of a race? Oh god. Now I'm getting better at the game because I'm just getting used to the controls. Now I'm crashing into people's cars. Bruh. And there's a how did they even get up there? I'm just confused how they even got up. And I'm just committing crimes by just crashing into other people. I know they're AI, but it just doesn't make any sense. Like why am I not getting arrested? Is it okay to shoot people? I mean, crash into people? Oh god. Alright, that was the last round. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Actually, I don't care if you like, but subscribe, please. Wait, what? Okay, never mind. Let's just see. Okay, let's just see what's this. Anywhere, skip, gimme. Alright, nice. Okay, let's do the other free pack. This is a premium? What? Wait, what? Why is there a free premium? Oh god, never mind. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Seriously? Are you kidding? You seriously, just calm down, game. Lamborghini. I got blueprints for a Lamborghini. Oh god, why is there so many things? Wow, how did I unlock this many things? Anyway, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, sucker.
This is Sparta!